Your car is loaded with smart features most people never notice, features that boost safety, comfort, and efficiency. These insider tips will help you drive smarter, avoid costly mistakes, and get more from every journey. Most drivers miss out on these benefits. Take the wheel with real confidence. Let's uncover the secrets now. Hidden storage compartments and secret cubby holes. Many vehicles come equipped with hidden storage compartments designed to keep important items out of sight and organized. These secret cubby holes can be found beneath seats, inside door panels, under the dashboard, or even in the trunk area. They are perfect for stashing valuables, phone chargers, or emergency supplies without cluttering the cabin. Knowing where these compartments are can significantly improve vehicle organization and enhance security by preventing theft. Using these spaces efficiently can make your car appear tidier and help keep essential items within easy reach. Some models even include specialized compartments for sunglasses, coins, or documents. Exploring your car's manual or doing a quick inspection can reveal these cleverly designed storage spots that manufacturers often overlook during a routine cleanup. The cabin air filter. What it is and why it matters. The cabin air filter plays a crucial role in maintaining clean air inside your vehicle by filtering out dust, pollen, pollutants, and other contaminants. This component helps protect the health of passengers, especially those with allergies or respiratory issues, improving overall comfort during drives. A clogged or dirty cabin air filter reduces airflow and can lead to unpleasant odors inside the car. Regular replacement ensures the effectiveness of your air conditioning and heating system and can prevent stains or damage to the HVAC components. Monitoring the cabin air filter's condition is an often overlooked aspect of car maintenance, but it directly contributes to a better driving experience. Check your vehicle's maintenance guide for recommended intervals to keep this filter performing optimally. Using auto hold and electronic parking brake features. Modern cars increasingly feature auto hold and electronic parking brake, also known as EPB, functions designed to enhance driving safety and convenience. Auto hold automatically keeps the vehicle stationary at stoplights or in traffic without needing to keep your foot on the brake pedal, reducing driver fatigue. The EPB replaces traditional hand or foot brakes with an electronic system activated by a button. This system provides consistent braking force, reducing wear on brake components and adding an extra layer of safety on steep inclines. Engaging the EPB is simple, and many systems automatically disengage when you accelerate. These smart features are valuable tools for improving control and comfort, especially during stop-and-go traffic or parking on hills, making daily driving less stressful. Unlocking Adaptive Cruise Control's full potential. Adaptive Cruise Control, also known as ACC, is an advanced driving assist feature that does more than maintain a set speed. It uses sensors and radar to detect vehicles ahead, automatically adjusting your speed to maintain a safe following distance. This makes long highway drives less tiring and safer by reducing the need for constant braking or acceleration. Many ACC systems come with additional settings like stop-and-go functionality, which can bring your car to a complete stop in heavy traffic and then resume driving when the traffic moves. Learning all the customizable settings and limits of your car's ACC will optimize safety and convenience. Understanding when to override or deactivate the system is equally important for maintaining full control. Seatbelt height adjusters for custom comfort. Many modern cars include seatbelt height adjusters, which allow drivers and passengers to set the seatbelt position for maximum comfort and safety. Properly adjusted seatbelts reduce discomfort on the neck and shoulders and ensure the belt sits correctly across the chest and pelvis, which is critical in the event of a crash. Customizing the height can also prevent slack, minimize injury risks, while enhance ease of use. This seemingly small feature can make a significant difference during long journeys, especially for shorter or taller individuals. It's important to take a moment to adjust seatbelts properly every time you enter a different vehicle or after changing seating positions. Using this feature enhances not only comfort, but also the effectiveness of the seatbelt system. How to use child safety lock and window controls properly. Child safety locks and window controls are essential features to protect young passengers during car rides. Child safety locks are usually small switches located on the edge of rear doors and must be activated with the door open. Once engaged, rear passengers cannot open doors from the inside, preventing accidental openings while the vehicle is in motion. This is especially important when traveling with toddlers or pets. Window locks, Found near the driver's controls, let the driver disable rear window operations, ensuring children cannot operate windows unsafely. Activating these controls before starting your trip helps avoid distractions and enhances overall safety. It's best to review your vehicle's manual to understand the exact operation and location of these switches. Always confirm locks are engaged and educate older children about their importance. Using child locks and window controls correctly ensures a safer, more secure driving experience when traveling with kids or pets. Built-in tire pressure monitoring hacks. The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, also known as TPMS, is a valuable safety feature that alerts drivers when tire pressure falls below recommended levels. Keeping tires properly inflated improves fuel efficiency, tire longevity, and road handling. A useful TP for drivers is to reset the TPMS after adjusting tire pressures or rotating tires to maintain accurate system readings. Some systems allow real-time monitoring of individual tire pressures on the dashboard, enabling early detection of slow leaks. Additionally, if your TPMS alerts frequently, inspect sensors for battery life or damage, as sensor failure can cause false warnings. Regularly check tire pressures manually with a gauge to complement TPMS readings. Integrating these practices maximizes your tire's performance and safety. Proper maintenance of TPMS and tires protects against blowouts and helps avoid unexpected roadside emergencies by providing timely warnings. The gas tank arrow. Never guess your fuel side again. The gas tank arrow is a simple but frequently overlooked dashboard feature that indicates which side of the car the fuel filler cap is on. Located next to the fuel gauge, this small arrow points left or right, providing clear guidance when you pull up to a gas station. This feature eliminates the guesswork, preventing awkward maneuvers or getting stuck having to reposition the vehicle. It's especially handy when driving rentals, borrowed cars, or unfamiliar models. Relying on this icon saves time and reduces stress during refueling. Habitually checking the arrow before pulling into a fuel pump avoids hassle and simplifies fueling stops. This small dashboard detail is designed to make your driving experience smoother and more efficient by removing common fueling annoyances. Rear seat reminder and forgotten passenger alerts. Rear seat reminder systems are designed to prevent tragic accidents by alerting drivers if someone, often a child or pet, remains in the back seat after the vehicle is parked and turned off. These systems often detect when a rear door was opened prior to driving and provide alerts via sounds or dashboard notifications, prompting the driver to check the rear seats. Some advanced models use weight sensors or motion detection for enhanced monitoring. Using this technology is a critical safety measure to avoid accidental heat stroke or suffocation incidents, especially in hot weather. Familiarize yourself with your vehicle's rear seat reminder settings and rely on these alerts to enhance passenger safety. Always conduct a quick walk around of your vehicle after parking to ensure no one is left behind, reinforcing an important safety habit. Folding mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and auto-dimming mirrors. Modern vehicles come equipped with smart features like folding mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and auto-dimming mirrors to increase convenience and safety. Folding mirrors protect your car's side mirrors from damage in tight parking spots or narrow streets and can be controlled electronically or automatically when locking or unlocking the vehicle. Rain-sensing wipers detect raindrops on the windshield and adjust their speed automatically, freeing the driver from manually operating the wipers in changing weather conditions and improving visibility. Auto-dimming mirrors minimize glare from headlights behind you at night by automatically darkening, reducing eye strain, and improving nighttime driving comfort. These features reduce driver distractions by automating common tasks, allowing you to focus better on the road and ensuring enhanced vehicle protection and passenger safety. Now that you know these hidden car features, it's time to put them to use and drive smarter every day. Don't let these simple tips slip away. Share them with friends and stay ahead on the road. Safe driving, and see you in the next video.